Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can install the Samsung Music app on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Then from here you want to use the search feature and simply type Samsung Music. Then once you find it listed in the search results, you want to tap on it and you can view the app details. So you can see previews of the app, you can see information about the app, data safety, and any ratings and reviews. And so to install the app, just tap on install, then wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can now tap on open to launch it. Then from here, simply tap on continue. Then you'll need to give Samsung Music access to your music and audio, as well as you have optional permissions such as notifications and your microphone. It's up to you to allow or disallow. So just tap on continue, then you start giving the permissions. So you have to allow it access to music and audio, but then you can choose to allow it to send you notifications. And then from here, you can now start using Samsung Music. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.